Hi folks, tonight we are going to talk about big audio amplifiers. I am recording in the basement because that power pack weighs about 100 kilos and it's in the basement. Here is the stairs and I'm not going to pick up to the stairs to record it. Here are some old amplifiers. These are Bose TPA3255. This is for a disco bar. There is another Class D amplifier. I'm going to show you some amps now. Here are two spare amplifiers. I have some troubles time ago with the amps, and I'm going to upgrade the full system. This used to be this is a 600 watt 2-channel, and the Bose, this is the spare one. This is dead as fuck, but I was told it has 800 watts, but it is much bigger than this. 600, about 12 kilo, 800, double number of transistors, and much bigger, much bigger everything. This is 25 kilos. Only that little fan, not so little, 12 millimeter fan, it's 100 watts. Only the fan. This has a fuse of 7 amps, or around 1600 watts, and I plan to replace it with Class D or Class AD amplifiers, like this one. This is in bridge for the subwoofer. This was 6 channel, but 1, 2, 3. 2, 4, 6 channels, and this one or that another one in bridge for the subwoofer, different volume control. But everybody tell me that this works already fine, but if you can make the music sounds better in your house than in my bar, I am doing it wrong. I need to make music sound better than anything else you hear before. So make you came to my bar to dance. It works. The next thing I'm planning to do is this thing. This is 16 channel. One TPA3255 and the second 3255. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16 channels. Why 16 channels? I want to know the power draft and the signal level, to make the signal always go high and no resolution changes as in the pictures. Why? I told you before, Why 16 channels? Because I want to make dual amping every channel. I mean, every speaker has to receive two signals, two amplified signals, one for the tweeters and another one for the woofers. So in the next weeks, or I expect to be in weeks, not months, we are going to make it and test it under oscilloscope and have fun. Please subscribe. You want it as soon as possible? Just subscribe. Thank you very much.